Had to go. I'm using. Okay, first of all, I'm using a different camera. I'll turn this down. I'm using a different camera, using the GoPro instead of the Canon 70D. I'm using the GoPro because it's just easy, small, and I've got this little gimbal thing. It's called a Z1 Prone. Just using that because it's just simple to lug around. Can't more to be lugging this big camera around with a big mic on top. So I'm just going back to my friend's garage. Done a video before of me going to his garage, but it wasn't a success because I got there and my guy didn't want to film. So now I'm just going to show you guys the cars that's at this garage. Actually, matter of fact, you know, I was supposed to be working, not working there. I was supposed to be offering my skills there. Yeah, skills there. But I guess I've got some other plans. Stay tuned. I'll let you know when we get there. What are you hiding from?